Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. First video of the year. Hey, we're going on strong. Hey, before we do anything tonight, hey, two things are important. Let me get this right at the top of the video, so in case you don't get to hear the whole thing. Two important pieces. January the 6th, Saturday, January the 6th, Sarasota Cars and Coffee. Because of the impending weather coming in, anticipated for Saturday morning, Cars and Coffee for Sarasota is canceled this month. We'll be back on schedule next month, and then I'll talk about all the other things that are on schedule coming up for January. But just want to get that up there on the front side. Number two, should have gotten in your email for all those folks. If you haven't looked at your email yet, check it out. If you're into the Daytona the 24, that email, CCA email, went out today. I know I've gotten several calls around in the last couple of weeks. Are we doing something at Daytona? So check the CCA 24 Daytona email that came out today. So just make sure you got it. If you didn't get it, send me a quick email, president at fscbmwcca.com, and I'll forward you mine so everybody can get it, or you can log on to the CCA piece. Elections, FSC elections, affirmation elections end this week. So if you haven't voted yet, please get online. Takes just a second. Get in, click, see, and make your mark and participate in that. And then also the 5th, tomorrow, the CCA elections. Very, very important elections. I spoke about those last week. Get out, support our incumbent groups, and let's be a part of the election for the national campaign. You do make a difference. It will make a difference. It will secure our destiny in one direction or other potentially. So it's very important, and I will say that I myself am going to be supporting the incumbent president, and then you can make your own decision. But put your name on the line. Get out there and vote. It takes just a second. Saturday, January 6th, we just talked about, in Sarasota is going to be canceled. Sunday, January the 7th, in Punta Gorda, the Punta Gorda Port Charlotte breakfast, that's on. Tuesday the 9th, St. Pete Clearwater, that's on. The 13th is the Caffeine and Octane in Jacksonville, that's on. Also the 13th is the Lakeland Cars and Coffee, that's on. The 14th, Naples Cars and Coffee, that's on. Coming up, I just got a note from Chris Schroeder up in Panama City. It's Beamers and Dinner in Panama City on the 16th. The 20th, we're at Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. I'll look forward to getting back there. I've missed November and December for some reason. I'm ready to get back into a regular routine there, so can't wait to get to Fort Myers. And then Gainesville is on the 20th. Gainesville Meet and Greet Lunch. Saturday, January 20th. There'll be more events coming in, popping in. Save the date. February the 3rd or February the 4th, we're looking at the annual dinner, luncheon, or dinner. We're looking at the locations. The word will come out. We should have preliminary information this week, but save the date. February 3rd, February 4th, look for that. We had a blast last year. Russ is working on it. We're working feverishly, trying to figure out the last details. I know we're coming to the end of this the season here, but we have so many other events that are in our way, so we're having to push it into the first weekend, I think, of February if we can get everything planned. So until then, oh, and by the way, check out Facebook, our FSC Facebook. Thanks to all of our friends. We were out with the Alfa Romeo Club from the East Coast this past weekend, doing a drive up the middle of the state. We had a blast, guys. It was great to see you. I'll drop a few names. John, you know, I was loving your photographs, were just amazing. Kaz, thanks for the photographs. Those were amazing. Dirk, it was good to see you, and all the folks out there that we got a chance to spend some time with. I think we had like 55 cars or something like that. I don't know. Just from all kind of European legacy cars. So it was just a great weekend, fun run, last minute kind of thing. And thanks to all the BMW folks that came out and supported that. We were sort of blown away and had all those numbers out there. But Snake Road, never drove Snake Road, now I have. So one of those bucket list kind of things to do. So until we see you then, happy motoring, everybody. Bye now. Thanks.